like a monitor. I was spraying perfume and it got in my fingernail, and I ate Juicy Couture perfume, and it tastes like poison. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Faith. Happy Vlogmas day 18. So today it was quite a long day. I got up at 10 a.m. to go to Fort Hamilton, which is where I get my military ID. I get military ID because of my dad. So I went to Fort Hamilton to renew it because it was expired. So I got up really early and I'm really tired just because it's 10:18. I have two IDs now. I have my New York state, which is my learner's permit. This is how it looks. You can't really see the picture. It came out a little dark, but yeah. So I got these two ornaments at this looks like a gift shop. Not really a gift shop, but a gift stand. And then it has like stuff inside, and then a red one looks like that. So I got this Burt's Bees pomegranate lip balm, one of my favorites, and then I got this L'Oreal Smooth Intense Frizz Taming Serum, and it smells really good. I got the Clean and Clear Oil Absorbing Sheets. Really good to pick up the oil, especially put it in your purse. Then this is one of my favorites. This is the Neutrogena On The Spot Acne Treatment. Takes for the pimples like overnight. We have Bath and Body Works hand sanitizers. Sorry, my thing keeps falling. They have Bath and Body Works hand sanitizers at the Exchange department store. This is 1,000 Wishes, and then this is Stress Relief with eucalyptus and spearmint. Then I just got some slant tip tweezers. I always lose these, so yeah. And it was also snowing like really hard, and it was hard to like even walk outside. I believe it was called a squall. Then I got this like Christmas ornament looking Burt's Bees, and then inside, okay, so that was like this one but the regular one, and then this is a hand salve, all that stuff. So I just got these two not off the shoulder, but I thought they had no straps. But yeah, they're like these seamless bra tops. This is a shower mitten to scrub your body with. This is like an older game. It's called Jacks. You like throw the ball in the air and try to catch as many of like the X's as possible. I thought that was fun to have. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell down below so you're notified every time I post. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.